rest of the course will be fine. Hey, grab this
3, 2, 1.
Get on it, Raymond. Get on. Good. It's fine.
Top position.
No, don't worry about that. Get the sample. That's it.
Good. Go same place.
No. Turn around. One more. Ram next time.
Same place.
Oh.
Again.
Okay, it's okay. Deal with it.
Nice. Same place. Yeah. Take one of those. Good. This goes. Yeah. You can try it.
Get the one. Go. Get the one.
1 minute around.
Alright, stop. Alright, dropping. Alright,
Grab. Good. There's one in the open over there that's horizontal. Yeah, this one's good. Good grab. Grab one of those. And go same place, and same orientation. 49 seconds left.
try to push some over. Go for the other one.
Nice.
Alright, now go for it. Okay, we're gonna go.
Go low.
Enter. Turn around. Go for pushing forward. Alright, we're gonna score. Score.
I think that's
Alright, one more.
nice. Go low.
Low back, yeah, go for it. Yeah, alright, drive forward.
No. Yeah.
That's good.
Park.